Hawaiian. Hawaiian princess.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, this is very summery, vacation-y, giving me vacation vibes.
Good. I like it. Cute. Hey, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I have a hair review and I'm reviewing this unit right here, guys. Look at how it is. Like, I am loving this wig. Luvme Hair was kind enough to send me this hair to review. Look at it. I literally feel like a Barbie doll right now. I absolutely love this hair. When do I ever do curls? Like, hardly ever. So I am really enjoying these curls. If you want to see the install of this unit, then keep on watching. But before we get started, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So right now we are going to be doing a hair review, and Luvme Hair, they sent me a wig, okay, and we're going to try it on today. So this is a screenshot of the hair that they sent me. I'm going to read you what it is. So it's the Luvme Hair PartingMax Glueless Wig, Bouncy and Voluminous Wand Curls Pre-Cut. Okay, it's pre-cut. Okay, that's what they're saying. 7x6 closure HD lace wig. I don't know what a PartingMax is, but we're gonna find out today. No worries. So they gave me 24 inches. Okay, so she's a long one. She's a long one. This is the packaging right here, like I showed you before. Purple is like the color of royalty. Hello. So here it is. We're opening it up, so we're seeing how it looks like. Look at this. How cute is this? It's very chic, very professional. I love it. It says, "Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright." From Helena, founder of Luvme Hair. Isn't this nice? A personalized letter for you. Love that. The Luvme logo in the headband. Give you label stickers or tags in case you want to return it, but I'm pretty confident that we're gonna love the hair. Like a head tape for your lace. I don't use those, but there's options for you if you want to use that. Wig cap, perfect. I never have wig caps, so we're using this today. Oh, and then they give you a stash just in case you want to store your hair. I like a stash. Common wig issues. So they tell you exactly what you need to do to care for your wig and how to return if the wig doesn't work out for you, which is very thoughtful. All right, so let's get into the meat and potatoes of the video, which is the hair, okay? Okay, this is her. This is her. I'm excited. I'm excited, okay. So tight curls, tight curls. I'm not even going to run my finger through it. I want to put it on so we could style it together. Look how long the parting is in this hair. Okay, so it looks like it's part to the side. So we're going to play around with it. And let's look in the construction of the wig. You have your lace right here. Very nice construction when you flip it over. Look at this. I'm really, really loving this. It's giving scalp. So I like the construction of the wig. You have one clip in the back, two clips on the side for more security, and then you have an adjusting band in the back. Look how deep this parting is. Just wanted to show you guys. Oh my gosh, she's pretty. She's really pretty. So I'm gonna push my hair back. All right, all the way back. So there she is, wig cap on. I'm not normally a side part girly, but we're gonna test it out. That's one thing about wigs that I like is that play around with stuff. Like, it's not that serious, guys. You could always switch it up, which I like. Just pushing my wig cap down. This is really nice. This is nice. So this is the hair right here. All here is party. Like all of this is party. You could part it any way you want. This hair is so soft and the wig cap is freaking secure. So secure. I'm just gonna take my pressed powder and then I'm just gonna go in to just so it could conceal that line. See how it's getting better now that I put the powder? All you need. Now I'm gonna go in with the Gots to Be glue. Now I'm gonna take the headband and I'm just gonna put it right here so it could melt. We're gonna leave it on for like a couple of minutes. Perfecto. All right, so it's on. So I'm going to let this sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, so I am back. Let's take this off and see what we're working with. One thing I like about Glueless Wig is that it's so easy to install. Like, even if you are not a wig person and you're not a hairstylist, you're really not good at your hair whatsoever, or wigs or anything like that, I feel like Glueless Wigs definitely changed the game and made wig application super easy, real easy. Okay. The PartingMax, meaning that you have all that parting space to work with. You have all these parting space to work with. Look at that. Look how much parting space that you have to work with this wig. It's minimum shedding, it's super soft, super bouncy. So I'm gonna cut this a little just to shape my face a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so this is the hair, 24 inches. If I stretched it down, it's all the way up to my belly button. This is how it looks in the back. So you can see how it is. It's nice and bouncy. Okay, so we're gonna mousse it down and see how that looks like. Maybe to tame the curls a little bit. Yeah. All the hair deets for this unit and the website will be linked in the description box down below, so you guys can snag yourself this wig or any other wigs that they have in their website. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys in a few days with another video.